stuck here. See?
Exactly.
See,
He's struggling.
Look.
He's struggling. He's struggling. He's struggling.
Normally they close off Oak Street.
Wow. It's a two-wheel drive. You see the way it's drifting?
Yeah. Trying to get through that light. Sorry, brother.
It's the bosses. Even if there was nothing, they would honk.
It's good footage. I like this.
It is.
Yeah, I love it.
If you want, I can send it to you too.
No, this is good. I'm experiencing it.
Oh yeah.
I'm living it. Yeah, get on the side a little bit more so you can see the blade.
I'm gonna do.
North Vancouver coming down the cut, eastbound on Highway 1 Mountain Highway in the right lane. The lane's not too bad, but more info coming up after the break. Under our wing. What your travel is for?
Chaos.
Love it.
A new champion has been declared for the FIFA World Cup title. A CFL player was shot and killed this weekend in Tennessee. And Avatar, The Way of Water, reports their opening weekend.
Whoops, sorry. Affecting at least 2,000 customers. In Surrey, a few things going on here. Houston Highway 10 eastbound 168. King George Boulevard from 99 northbound, the Highway 10 is blocked. But first, it's 2:01 p.m. Here's the Traffic Center with Kevin Olenek. Good afternoon, Tom, and yes, hectic day on the roads of Metro Vancouver with the snow. We'll start in North Vancouver. There was take 30 seconds. 172nd southbound before Highway 1 overpass. There's an issue blocking the left lane. That's backed up past 104th and 64th Avenue westbound and 132nd in the right lane. I just got a call. Rupert there is a bus stuck right in the middle there between 14th and 17th. Caller suggests take 22nd to get around that. And the 911 22nd is blocked southbound. There's a bus stuck on the top of the hill. And transit currently right now, no Sky trains are going to Surrey. So your Expo line is stopping at King George, and the Millennium line is not stopping at Production Way. So